What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. Hope you guys are staying healthy, staying safe. I know I am. I'm your boy Ricky. So like the title says, man, thoughts of selling the Shelby again. And last time was just BS reasons, and now it's a little bit more serious. I just want to back it up, give you guys a little brief explanation of what's going on, why I haven't been uploading videos and things like that. So basically, this virus that's going on right now, man, it might not have affected you health-wise, but some way, somehow, it has affected you. If that has to, do with someone losing their life, you know them, a friend, somebody, it has affected you some way. With me, I lost loved ones due to this virus, and now it's starting to affect me financially. So back in March, I put a video up that I lost my job. I was furloughed. I was lucky. I was one of the lucky ones to return back to work out of, I don't know, maybe like 300 employees. I was one of the lucky ones to return back to my job. And now, with everything going on, it's had taken a toll on my company. Lost revenue. It's hard to make that revenue back up. And now my company has announced that we're shutting down. No longer. This is it. We have about 4 months, and that's pretty much it, man. It's serious now. It's serious. But damn fly, shit. Seriously. I've been with this company a little over 15 years, so it's hard for me to just walk out and say, that's it, I'm gonna find something else. And honestly, it's rough out there. A lot of people's getting laid off. A lot of people are still laid off. A lot of people are still on furlough. It's real out here, man. It's real. It ain't no joke, man. But I'm gonna ride out with it and see what happened at the end. See what kind of little package I get. It's not gonna be much, but I'd rather ride out than trying to jump ship and trying to find something else. But in the meantime, I am trying to do something, trying to find something else. But I really want to ride out to the end with this company, with my company, and see what happens at the very end, and see if I get something. They are promising us something, but the first thing you think about when you hear, hey man, you got 4 more months and you don't got no job, is you start thinking about selling, what's luxury and what's not. Obviously, I worked extremely, I want to tell you guys something, man. I worked extremely hard, bro, to purchase this car. This wasn't no walking no dealership and boom, I could get it. This was, years and years, and just making sure everything was correct before I get it, making sure I could afford it, everything. And I worked hard to get this car, and everything I got, I worked hard for. But this was my present to me, and it sucks. I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to sound like I'm, down and out. I am a little bit, but you got to stay strong. You got to keep grinding. You got to keep going. I started this YouTube thing, and I want this thing to grow. I see myself doing this. I love cars. You just can't take that out of me. I love cars, man. I love cars. And YouTube has created an outlet for car guys like us, for everybody to, share with the world what they love. And this is what I love, man. I love my Shelby. And, I love making content and showing it to you guys, and see what people's reactions are, good, bad. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna keep grinding, I'm gonna keep doing what I got to do. This is a small YouTube channel. I expect it to grow. And it's hard to do that without a car. But I want to hold on to the car as long as possible, as long as I can, and see what happens. Keep God first. Keep my prayers. and I'm gonna keep grinding, keep doing what I got to do, man. So on a brighter note, I had already ordered a couple of parts for the car, some suspension parts that I've been mentioning in my previous videos. So those parts are supposed to be coming in soon. So stay tuned for some more content on the car. You know, I plan to continue with the suspension. And, you know, listen, man, worst comes to worst, part it out, sell it, you know, and down the line, I'll still get another one because I really genuinely like this car. You know, I love this car. The car has great potential, and you know, my ultimate goal, I've said this before, people going to say no, yes, whatever. I do plan on, if everything works out, not even if, things will work out, and I do plan to turbocharge this car. That's my goal, and that's what I plan to do. But yeah, that's it, man. You know, trying to stay focused, trying to stay positive, keep God first. I'm going to keep grinding. I know it's a small YouTube channel, but definitely is going to grow. I definitely see myself, you know, down the line, a couple more cars, collecting cars, making content, having fun, racing, going to the track, just doing what I love to do, man, you know, and that's this car thing. Please make sure you subscribe, like, hit that bell notification for all my uploads. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.